And then finally, we look at nature, and it operates intelligently without worry or anxiety, as far as we know, right? A seed knows how to become a rose or an oak tree or a sunflower without attending a class or a seminar. It's innate. It knows. It is made to become what it is intended to be. Trees communicate through underground fungal networks, sometimes called the wood wide web, sharing nutrients and signals. We know that birds migrate thousands of miles with astonishing precision. Salmon return to the same stream in which they were born, and the caterpillar, which we've used as an example before, dissolves into this biological soup before reorganizing itself into a butterfly. And we pause.